Crocodile swims in the river wide. Alligator glides with a gentle stride. Snake slithers softly on the ground. Lizard scurries all around. Turtle carries its shell with pride. Tortoise walks slowly side by side. Gecko climbs upon the wall. Iguana rests so green and tall. Chameleon changes colors bright. Komodo dragon is a mighty sight. Python curls up nice and tight. Cobra lifts its head upright. Gharial swims with a long thin nose. Skink darts quickly wherever it goes.